So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Rafdom over here, and for today's video guys, we're going to do another unboxing video. This time is another Kokuran TCG box that we're gonna open. Today's video actually, it's a brand new series. It's a base set 9 Kokuran Bravers trading card game, a game of truth and deceit. So I already pre-ordered 2 box actually. I actually pre-ordered it, but my mom paid it for me, and thank you for that. The joke. Anyways, I pre-ordered brand new base set 9 series of Kokuran TCGs, including the brand new starter decks that Kokuran made. Set starter deck 6, 7, and 8. The color is red, yellow, and green. So we're going to do the unboxing first of the brand new base set 9 of Kokuran, which is Game Shoot and Decide. And the next, we're going to do another video for the starter decks. Separate videos actually. So before we're going to start this, I hope you really enjoy this video so far, and even though it's just an intro. And yes, I have an Iron Man over here. It's a brand new collection that I have. So yeah, that's all about I'm going to say. I'm not going to ask to subscribe, to like, because I think I already said that many times. But anyways, I'm gonna say it today, even though I said no. So I hope you guys subscribe this channel. If you want, feel free to subscribe. If you don't, feel free don't subscribe. It's not even required you to subscribe to this channel for me actually. The only thing is important for me is you enjoy this video, and I hope you really like this video, and comment down below if you want to make me another base set series of Kokuran TCG brand new series ulit, because I already had a full schedule of when will be the other new series of Kokuran TCG this year happens, and I surprisingly saw that this year is a huge project for Kokuran TCG, because there will be about 4 or 5 new base sets of Kokuran TCG, including the a game of truth and decide. That's 4 to 5 brand new sets. And for starter decks, there will be 3, which is I already have, and the other 2 that will be released at the same time, I think, from the next brand new base set series of Kokuran TCG. And there will be more competitions, Brave League seasons, and another championship seasons again. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing of Kokuran TCG, a game of truth and deceit. So I will show it to you guys. It's going to be actually a separate camera. I will put the POV from the left corner, upright left corner, and the whole video will be on my phone to see what we got. So this is what it looks like. I have 2 box. Hold on for a minute. So as you can see, nakikita nyo na dito sa baba kung saan yung phone ko na yun, na ito yung brand new sets. 2 box actually, may including siya ng False Persona Promotion Pack, lagi naman nakasama sa recently new sets ng TCG. And let's open a brand new set of Kokuran TCG. And if you see my phone on the POV, that's because I'm recording over there. Anyways, let's open this first. Yeah, let's use scissors na lang. Don't have my cutter. So of course, from the box itself, bakit bumababa? Anyways, let's go over again. So as you can see from the box itself, you can see the title of the series itself, a game of truth and deceit. The cards that is rare, pure vanilla. Of course, Shadow Milk cookies will be like Timekeeper cookie to have 5 different colors. And this is where how many regular cards we have and how many hidden cards in total. So this is how many total that this series has. 50 commons, 40 uncommons, 10 rares, 11 super rares, 7 UR, and of course there are going to be SUR, SSR, and EXR, of course. I would never doubt. Anyways, let's open this box first. Let's see what will be the inside. And if I remember, it has one promotion code as well and promotion pack. So this is the promotion code itself comes with, and we have one promotion pack and 30 packs included. If I recall right, because I researched about this set, it has Shadow Melt cookies, of course. There's also going to be an ancient cookies as well, like pure vanilla, white lily, dark cacao, golden cheesecake, and holly berry cookie. Going to be included there, but they're not going to be like the base set Shein for the normal design or like the base set 8 na Coquerion TCG set design of golden cheese cookie and dark cacao. It will be their legendary cookie design, except for pure vanilla cookie, because on the Game of Truth and the site that this is a collab, or not technically collab, but this is the series of Shadow Milk Cookie, Beast Cookie, and Pure Vanilla Cookie upgrade version of Ancient. I forgot what the name of it is. But yeah, that's what this set is. Beast Cookie of Shadow Milk Cookie and Pure Vanilla Cookie. Awakened version pala, actually. It's awakened version of Pure Vanilla. So, this is the new set looks like. Anyways, let's open the promotion pack first. The False Persona. This is all the cards that is included from that series that we need to get the one of the super rares, of course. But this is all the included of promotion pack. Let's see what we got. Boop! Woo! We got Cream Ferret Cookie. Color green card siya. And it's level 2 HP 3. It is a flip card though. So it says return up to 3 cards from your support area to your hand. Then place the same number of green energy cards or green cards from your hand into your support area as rested. Okay. Not bad for the green players. This is actually not bad. Who likes that way? Anyways, let's start open the packs of Coquerion TCG brand new sets. Let's see if that's the first pack that we will get. Honestly, nakita ko na din yung mga cards na to. There will be a fan arts of the designs itself. So we got Clown Fairy Cookie. Cute ng mga designs. Ginger Brave Cookie. Ayan, fan art yan. So, si Clover Cookie, fan art ng ginawa ng tao nito. It's actually cute. Wizard Cookie. Ooh. And, oh, no! I expected from the one box, of course, makakuha ko ng instantly a UR and SR, pero hindi ko maka-expect makuha ko yung UR ni Pure Vanilla Cookie. Sinabi ko na nagandahan ako, but honestly level 3 0 HP, but technically there are going to be a awakened version of this. So let's see what Pure Vanilla Cookie does. It is an extra card. So during this turn, if a cookie was placed from your battle area on the bottom of your deck, you can awaken that Pure Vanilla Cookie. So, on play niya is reveal one card from the top of your deck. If that card is a level 2 cookie, this cookie gains plus 2 HP and drop the 2 cards from your deck. So, kaya 0 HP siya. So, magkakaroon siya ng 2 HP kung level 2 cookie nakuha mo dun sa deck mo. And you get 2 more, and you will draw up to 2 cards from your deck as well. So, you're gonna pay 3 energies, love and peace, 4 damage actually. Then can be used as and select up to one of your cookies. That cookie gains 1 HP. So you can select him or other or your other cookies to get another plus HP. So in total, this pure vanilla cookie will gain 3 HP if you place 1 extra HP from pure vanilla cookie. But if you guarantee get another 2 HP from pure vanilla cookie, then yes, you'll get 2 HP. Not bad to get Pure Vanilla Cookie. Nice. Oh my god, ang ganda ng card. Yun yung sinasabi ko ng awakened version niya. That's awakened version of Pure Vanilla Cookie because that's when it was released last year, starting 2025 or last year 2024. Hindi ko na masyado matandaan. So I got Birthday Cake Cookie, We got Captain Caviar Cookie ulit. Kaya sinabi ko ulit kasi meron na din ako ng dati. Pero since, yun naman. Ang cute talaga ng butter roll cookie. Baby version. Ang cute. We got cinnamon cookie. Ang ganda ng design yung cinnamon cookie Parang skinny. And we got... Alam ko talaga guaranteed talaga yung UR. Pero don't make me surprised bakit ako ganito. Pero hindi ko kasi ito, unang box ko lang to na nakakuha ko ng mga color na ginagamit ko sa deck. So red and blue yung deck ko talaga guys. And nakakuha ko ng blue UR and red na UR. Pero malamang hindi ko siya alagay na agad sa deck ko kasi nga bagong set siya. Hindi naman siya technically nilabas pa sa ibang bansa or sa ibang store dito sa Pilipinas as well. Pero collector kasi din ako So deck player and collector ako. So yung mga nakuha kong bagong UR magiging collector ko siya, collector set ko. But damn, Shadow Milk Cookie red extra. So can be played if 2 or more of your level 1 cookies fainted during your opponent's previous turn. So kapag namatay yung dalawa kong level 1 cookie during that turn, pwede na to magiging awaken. Pwede na to i-place. And add up to one card from your opponent's hand face up to the bottom of these cookies. Ooh. So ibig sabihin magdadagdag na isang HP pa to. Damn. So Puppet Theater of Fear 2 damage and you're gonna pay 2 to cast that damage. After taking that damage, there's an after effect. So select up to one of your opponent's cookies, add one card from the top of that cookie's HP face up to the bottom. So technically makakabag 6 HP to. And magiging 7 pa to kung buhay pa siya. Wow! Grabe naman yung card nito. Honestly, yung sasabi ko sana ang cute yung mga cards na design, tapos nakakuha agad ako ng Shadow Milk Cookie ng red. Sa lima ng kulay na ng Shadow Milk, nakuha ko yung red na kulay May, yung pinakamaganda makukuha dito yung pinaka-original na Shadow Milk Cookie. Malamang yung blue color niya. Pero kasi gabi, ang ganda ng red pala nun. Tingnan natin sa next pack. So, si Clown Fair Cookie 2, si Caramel Chokes Cookie, Candy Corn Cookie, ang cute ng design. Mercurial Night Cookie, and Puppet Paper Puppet Trope, or Trope, hindi ko sure kung tama ako. Trap card siya. One of the best color red cookies again. Really? Ooh! Alchemist Cookie. Rare. Ang cute ng design niya. Queen's Plan. Flip card siya. Pero ang cute ng design ng rare niya. Mismo. And, Elder Fairy Cookie. Rare ulit. Maganda. It's still him. Wala naman binago. Hindi naman ako technically hater niyan. Na-annoyed lang ako niyan dati. Yung unang labas niyan. Or hindi ko alam. Basta. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga kukunin natin. Yung rest of the packs. Ang ganda ng strawberry cookie. Fun art talaga. Oh! Oh my god. We got an SR of White Lily Cookie. Legendary skin niya yan, boys and girls. It's an ancient. Ganda. SR Cookie. Let's go. Nakakuha na tayo. Ulit. Blue ulit. Blue and red. Let's go. Damn. Makakagulat talaga nun. Si Candy Diver. Ay, nako. SR ulit. Ito yung partner ni Shadow Milk Cookie. Black Sapphire Cookie. May isa pang sidekick si Shadow Milk Cookie, which is si Candy Apple Cookie, if I'm correct. At them very, very strong. Pero kahit na bumili ka ng isang box nito, makakabawi ka dahil dun sa lahat ng SRNU or makukuha mo. Depende lang sa swerte mo. Pero yun nga yun, makakuha ka agad ng magandang price. Kasi isang, Apple Fairy Cookie. Ang ganda oh. Yellow card. Damn. So technically, what I'm saying is, kasi isang box is actually, the regular price or the SRP itself is 2,800 itself. Na per box. Pero kapag nag-pre-order ka, usually nasa 2,400 or 2,500 yung price. And yeah, technically, maganda dito is, ano nangyari dito? Ano to? Kapag bumili ka naman ng isang box nito, makakapagbawi ka naman ng isang beses naman na makakuha. What the? Ewan ko guys, ba't ako sobrang excited? Pero kasi SSR yan eh. First SSR, first box yan boys. First SSR, first box. Dito siya, di talaga to guaranteed guys. Per box dito guaranteed. Swerte talaga kung makakuha ka ng SSR. Or EXR, SUR. Swerte lang talaga. Pero di siya ganun ka guaranteed. Wind Archer Cookie. Legendary skin ata niya yan. But I don't give a fudge about that. Like, wow! SSR. Wind Archer Cookie. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Let me shine it. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Nagsishaking yung kamay ko. Grabe yun, SSR. First box, SSR agad. Iba talaga kapag bagong set. Actually, di talaga nangyari sa akin yan guys. Na every bagong set, hindi ako nakakuha ng SSR, SUR. Woo! Ito na yung kay Pure Vanilla Cookie. Yung parang kay Golden Cheese Cookie and Dark Cacao Cookie. Na rare na design. Yan ah. Ang ganda nito ah. Ng mga ganyan na design. Parang sa susunod naman nila gagawin naman ay si White Lily. Actually, hindi si White Lily. Si Halle Berry Cookie naman yung susunod naman nila. Kasi siya yung sumunod after ni Pure Vanilla Cookie. Tapos sumunod naman si White Lily, yung pinakalas. And na yun, si Dark Enchantress Cookie ata, yung naging brand new cookie. So technically, ganda ng maging design. Ang ganda talaga nito. Mga fan art. Ganda ng itong Hindi ako makaka-expect makakuha ako ng Halle Berry Cookie ah. Alam ko makaka-expect ako SR, pero hindi ko na-expect si Halle Berry Cookie makukunin ko. Ang ganda ng skin nito. Pero ang ganda nito ng cookie din nito. Sa totoo lang. Excuse me. Oh my god. Ang ganda ng mga cards na nakakuha natin. Shiminimis Timbas. Oh my god. Sayang nga actually na believe it or not na may bagong set which is si Base Set 7 na si Arena of Glory na hindi naman siya ganun kabenta kasi hindi naman siya ganun ginagamit na sa bagong meta na actually makakakuha ganda na to na first box kumuha ng ate ko, random lang yun pero hindi siya technically random kasi nag-iisa na lang siya yung kumuha ng ate ko nun. First box ng bagong set ng Arena of Glory and fun fact, nakakuha agad ako ng EXR dun. Believe it or not talaga, hindi ko binidyo yun, pero di ko lang alam kung maniniwala kayo. Pero nakakuha agad ako ng EXR agad ng Arena of Glory, which is yung EXR, ibig sabihin extra ultra rare yun. Extra ultra rare man. Extra super rare, hindi ko sure. Pero yan yung alam ko. Which is, technically, hindi ko magiging expect. Ang ganda talaga ng Cookie Mouse. Ang cute talaga nila. na hindi ko ma-expect. Nakakakuha agad ako ng pinakamahal ng card sa isang set na yun. Sa isang box. One box. As in one box. Na kinuha lang na ate ko yung nag-iisa lang dun. So, alam ko, di kayo masyado maniniwala na nakakuha agad ako nun. Pero if you want to see, kulag yung mga packs. Or, hindi kayo maniniwala na nakuha ko siya technically. Gusto nyo makapakita ko, sige. After natin to buksan ng isang pack, pwede ko sa inyo pakita. Kasi gumagawa na kasi akong series na nga actually na yun. Yung mga every pack na binibili ko kasi na binubuksan ko sa short videos. So technically ito din. At gagawin ko din to. Tayo nyo yan. Like, damn. Ay, ganda na to. Tower Keeper Cookie. At parang si Timekeeper. Yung pangalan niya pero naging tower. Ang cute naman. Mga cookies na ito, hindi ako masyado familiar kasi baka galing sa ibang cookian games yan eh. Yung mga cookian oven run? Oven bake. Hindi kasi ako naglalaro din eh. O yung cookian mismo. Cookian Kingdom lang kasi talaga nilalaro ko eh. So, ayun, ganda. Parfait cookie is still the same. Pero ang cute naman yung tsaka niya. Pero yan nga. Meron pa tayo 2 packs left until bubuksan natin yung isa pang set. Oh my god! Let's see. Open up. And I expected to be not getting any great news. Yep, not good. Pero kasi grabe, ganda nung... Sorry talaga kapag nag-overreact talaga ako nun kanina. Pero kasi nga SSR yun, hindi talaga nakakabiyo ng SSR boys. Na makakuha ka agad ng SSR sa isang box na hindi siya guaranteed makakuha ka nun. Swerte lang. Yun ay lahat ng cards na makuha natin. Preview natin sa nakuha natin ng magandang cards dito sa base set 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards in total. Hindi yung meme. Papatin ko kayo kung ginawa nyo yun. Joke. So technically we have 4 SRs. SR na cookies, si Halle Cookie, Apple Fair Cookie, Black Sapphire Cookie, and White Lily Cookie. We have 2 URs, which is Shadow Milk Cookie Red and Pure Vanilla Cookie Blue. And we have 1 card that is not guaranteed to get every box. Wind Archer Cookie SSR. Damn. Swerte ko talaga. Anyways, ito nga pala, hindi ko na matandaan to kung ano niya. Kasi, each set kasi, bumibili kasi ako ng mga binders para each set may iba't ibang binder na color. Kaya hindi mahirap naman. Ito yun. Ayan. Nakuha ko siya. Ito yung nakuha ko. First box, ito yung nakuha ko. Pinakamahal yan, 8,000 pesos isang card niya. Binaplano ko na nga lang ibenta yun eh, kasi di ko alam kung magagamit ko siya sa deck ko eh. Technically, ayaw ko kasi gumamit ng mga ganyan. Gusto ko kasi yung mga useful na mga cards na ginagamit sa deck. Ano bang? Kasi nga para manalo kayo. Actually, nakasama na ako na isang competition nga eh. Na score ko is not, it's pretty bad. 1 to 4 or 2 to 4. 2 wins, 4 losses. Di ko sure kung 4 losses ako. Kaya ang pangit eh. So, sa susunod naman natin ibubuksan ay yung next box of A Game of Truth and Decide. Tignan natin kung mas maganda makukuha natin itong packnet. Kung mas maganda yung box nito kayo sa doon sa isa. Buksan na natin in 3, 2, 1 na boom. Ba't ako nang boom? Rip it off. There you go. Let's open the box again. Same. Nakuha natin yung design naman sa coupon code IC Golden Cheese Cookie. Yung legendary skin niya. Ang tama ko. Kasi mayroon din ako yun. Hindi ko naman din matandaan kung paano ko nakuha ito. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung nakuha natin sa promotion pack. Let's see. Sana hindi same. Teka lang, napatay ko na tuloy yung phone ko. Napatay tuloy. Oh my god, wait lang. Design ng mga mata. Oh my god. Sorry talaga kung naging OA ako. Yung kit naman, faithful cookie cutter yung ginamit nila dito. Yan yung ginagamit sa base cookie. Grabe! First ako nakakuha na one. Hindi ako nakakuha kasi yun sa last set eh. Ganda kasi kay Burning Spice eh, pero di ko nakuha. Sorry, gumagalaw yung camera ko. Ano kaya makukuha natin dito sa second set? White Lily ulit! Oh! Makagamit ko na din siya ulit sa deck ko. Wala na, may duplicate na ako. Yes! Sorry kung OA talaga ako mag-react na yun ah. Sorry talaga. Ako ate yung pinaka-cringe na content creator nang bubukas ng TCG. Sobrang OA ko talaga. Sorry guys kung OA talaga ako. Oh, ay si Black Sapphire ulit. Maganda yun ah. Nakukuha natin yung ulit yung mga cards. Pero sorry talaga guys kung sobrang cringe ako. Sorry talaga. Hindi ko alam kung gusto nyo yung ginagawa ko ng loko-lokohan ko kanina. Sorry talaga guys. Pero kasi yun wala din lang ako. Alam mo kanina seryoso ako nung sinasabi ko sa'yo ako guys. Pero kasi talaga sila si Fig Cookie talaga natawa talaga ako. Naging kabayan yung mukha niya talaga. Oh! Golden cheese cookie! Yay! Nakuha na natin. Nakakuha na tayo na 3 ancient cookies actually. Si Holly Berry, si White Lily, tsaka si Golden cheese cookie. Si Dark Taco, tsaka si Pure Vanilla lang. Cookie na Pure Vanilla. Gusto ko kunin yung whole set din siya. Parang Shadow Milk Cookie, UR din. Kailangan ko din kunin. Eh, alam ko wala naman natin UR naman ng whole set ng itong ancient cookies na kasama eh. Yung only base at CN4 lang yun. Tingnan natin kung gusto makakuha natin. O, oh, diba? Ito yung second sidekick ni Shadow Milk Cookie. Si Candy Apple Cookie. Ang cute niya oh. Hello, Candy Apple Cookie. So far, nakaapat na tayo ng SR. So, may guaranteed at ako isang UR. Alam ko sa each set. Alam ko nakakuha ko ng isang UR lang palagi. Pero alam ko mas common si SR para sa akin. Nakakuha ulit tayo ng Pure Vanilla. Maganda yun ha. Let's go. Wala na akong boses na masyado. Wala na akong hinga. Kasi sa OE. Ang cute talaga ng mga design na to ha. Totoo lang. Ay, ito talaga eh. Mayroon ako nito pero ang cute talaga ni Cookie Mouse. So lahat ng cookies dito ang cute ni Cookie Mouse. Pero sa lahat ng magandang cookies si Shadow Milk na box topper na kuha ko. So far, SR lahat. Tapos na tayo dito sa next last box. Okay. Pang si ECE is like SSR and SUR. Pero mas rare si SSR, SUR malamang. Pero pang sila yun, na mayap din mo kumuha ng SEC. And nakuha ko yung SEC ni Elder Fairy Cookie. Ang ganda na talaga. Hindi siya guaranteed din palagi yung SEC. Pang SSR and SUR lang siya. Pero hindi siya guaranteed makakuha mo. Hindi ko sure tama ako. Ito. To. Ooh! Let's go! Another Shadow Milk Cookie, color green. Okay, so 2 out of 5 colors na nakuha natin sa Shadow Milk Cookies. And sa Ancient Cookies, we are 3 out of 5 cards na nakuha natin sa SR. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Maganda na so far yung mga nakuha natin. So yeah, target ko talaga kunin lahat ng Shadow Milk Cookies and Ancient Cookies. And malamang yung mga mamamahal din. Pero yun nga, yung mostly target ko. Pam, 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 pam. Oh! Oh my God! Makakagamit ko din siya. Ang ganda nito. Putik. Putang ina mo. Ang ganda! Another Shadow Milk Cookie. In my belt. Oh my freaking God. Last pack. Wala naman ako sure ganito dito naman. Yep. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so i-compare natin sa first box, sa second box natin yung binuksan. So yun yung mga nakuha natin, first box, second box. Para sa inyo talaga, sa tingin nyo, sino pinaka swerte or sino pinakamahal na cards or isang box na nakuha natin so yung nakuha ko so far? Yung may SSR kasi dito or yung box topper ng promotion pack na Shadow Milk Cookie. Na may dalawang Shadow Milk Cookie na UR. Same din dito, pero may SSR lang. Comment down below. And I really hope guys you enjoyed this adventure of mine on unboxing 2 boxes of a game of truth in the site na bagong set ng Cookie Run TCG. And I really hope that I'm going to make another video for the starter decks, which is ito yung previous niya. Ito yung starter decks niya. I'm only gonna open red cards since yung yellow and green. Bakit? Pag-isipan ko kung bubuksan ko. Pero yung red cards yung bubuksan ko kasi yun yung set ko. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. I hope that if I'm going to get another box, that I'm going to make another video about this unboxing of Game of Truth and the site. Really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope really guys subscribe, comment down below, and click the like button if you really enjoyed this. But I don't mind if you don't click subscribe button and like, because it's up to you guys if you really enjoyed. And I personally enjoyed this video because I really got amazing cards, of course. But it's up to you guys. You decide that if you want more videos about this, I will make more about this. So yeah, that's all about this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. And see you guys on another unboxing video, which is starter deck. See you guys there. So bye-bye. Oh yeah, before the video guys ends, this is the total value of the cards that I got from the 2 boxes. The total boxes that I bought. And the total cards that I got, and here's the main value. So that's all. Bye bye.